بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
أتى أمر الله فلا تستعجلوه سبحانه وتعالى عما يشركون. ينزل الملائكة بالروح من أمره على من يشاء من عباده أن أنذروا أنه لا إله إلا أنا فاتقون. خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق تعالى عما يشركون. خلق الإنسان من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين.
The commandment of Allah will come to pass, so seek not ye to hasten it. Glorified and exalted be He above all that they associate with Him. He sendeth down the angels with the spirit of His command unto whom He will of His bondmen, saying, Warn mankind that there is no God save me, so keep your duty unto me. He hath created the heavens and the earth with truth. High be He, exalted above all that they associate with Him. He hath created man from a drop of fluid, yet behold, he is an open opponent.
وَالْأَنْعَامَ خَلَقَهَا لَكُمْ فِيهَا دِفْءٌ وَمَنَافِعُ وَمِنْهَا تَأْكُلُونَ وَلَكُمْ فِيهَا جَمَالٌ حِينَ تُرِيحُونَ وَحِينَ تَسْرَحُونَ وَتَحْمِلُ أَثْقَالَكُمْ إِلَى بَلَدٍ لَّمْ تَكُونُوا بَالِغِيهِ إِلَّا بِشِقِّ الْأَنفُسِ إِنَّ رَبَّكُمْ لَرَءُوفٌ رَحِيمٌ. وَالْخَيْلَ وَالْبِغَالَ وَالْحَمِيرَ لِتَرْكَبُوهَا وَزِينَةً وَيَخْلُقُ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. وَعَلَى اللَّهِ قَصْدُ السَّبِيلِ وَمِنْهَا جَائِرٌ وَلَوْ شَاءَ لَهَدَاكُمْ أَجْمَعِينَ.
And the cattle hath He created, whence ye have warm clothing and uses, and whereof ye eat. And wherein is beauty for you, when ye bring them home, and when ye take them out to pasture. And they bear your loads for you unto a land ye could not reach, save with great trouble to yourselves. Lo, your Lord is full of pity, merciful. And horses and mules and asses hath He created, that ye may ride them, and for ornament. And He created that which ye know not. And Allah's is the direction of the way, and some roads go not straight. And had He willed, He would have led you all aright.
هو الذي أنزل من السماء ماء لكم منه شراب ومنه شجر فيه تسيمون. ينبت لكم به الزرع والزيتون والنخيل والأعناب ومن كل الثمرات إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يتفكرون. وسخر لكم الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر والنجوم مسخرات بأمره إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يعقلون. وما ذرأ لكم في الأرض مختلفا ألوانه إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يذكرون.
He it is who sendeth down water from the sky, whence ye have drink, and whence are trees on which ye send your beasts to pasture. Therewith he causeth crops to grow for you, and the olive, and the date palm, and grapes, and all kinds of fruit. Lo, herein is indeed a portent for people who reflect. And he hath constrained the night and the day, and the sun and the moon to be of service unto you, and the stars are made subservient by his command. Lo, herein indeed are portents for people who have sense. And whatsoever he hath created for you in the earth of diverse hues, lo, therein is indeed a portent for people who take heed.
وهو الذي سخر البحر لتأكلوا منه لحما طريا وتستخرجوا منه حلية تلبسونها وترى الفلك مواخر فيه ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وأنهارا وسبلا لعلكم تهتدون وعلامات وبالنجم هم يهتدون أفمن يخلق كمن لا يخلق أفلا تذكرون وإن تعدوا نعمة الله لا تحصوها إن الله لغفور رحيم والله يعلم ما تسرون وما تعلنون والذين يدعون من دون الله لا يخلقون شيئا وهم يخلقون أموات غير أحياء وما يشعرون أيان يبعثون.
And he it is who hath constrained the sea to be of service, that ye eat fresh meat from thence, and bring forth from thence ornaments which ye wear. And thou seest the ships ploughing it, that ye mankind may seek of his bounty, and that haply ye may give thanks. And he hath cast into the earth firm hills, that it quake not with you, and streams and roads that ye may find a way. And landmarks too, and by the star they find a way. Is he then who created as him who created not? Will ye not then remember? And if ye would count the favour of Allah, ye cannot reckon it. Lo, Allah is indeed forgiving, merciful. And Allah knoweth that which ye keep hidden, and that which ye proclaim. Those unto whom they cry beside Allah created naught, but are themselves created. They are dead, not living, and they know not when they will be raised.
إلهكم إله واحد فالذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة قلوبهم منكرة وهم مستكبرون لا جرم أن الله يعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون إنه لا يحب المستكبرين وإذا قيل لهم ماذا أنزل ربكم قالوا أساطير الأولين ليحملوا أوزارهم كاملة يوم القيامة ومن أوزار الذين يضلونهم بغير علم ألا ساء ما يزرون.
Your God is one God, but as for those who believe not in the hereafter, their hearts refuse to know, for they are proud. Assuredly, Allah knoweth that which they keep hidden, and that which they proclaim. Lo, He loveth not the proud. And when it is said unto them, What hath your Lord revealed? They say, Mere fables of the men of old. that they may bear their burdens undiminished on the day of resurrection, with somewhat of the burdens of those whom they mislead without knowledge. Evil is that which they bear.
قد مكر الذين من قبلهم فأتى الله بنيانهم من القواعد فخر عليهم السقف من فوقهم وأتاهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون ثم يوم القيامة يخزيهم ويقول أين شركائي الذين كنتم تشاقون فيهم قال الذين أوتوا العلم إن الخزي اليوم والسوء على الكافرين.
Those before them plotted, so Allah struck at the foundations of their building, and then the roof fell down upon them from above them, and the doom came on them whence they knew not. Then on the day of resurrection He will disgrace them and will say, Where are my partners for whose sake ye oppose my guidance? Those who have been given knowledge will say, Disgrace this day and evil hour upon the disbelievers.
الذين تتوفاهم الملائكة ظالمي أنفسهم فألقوا السلم ما كنا نعمل من سوء بلى إن الله عليم بما كنتم تعملون فادخلوا أبواب جهنم خالدين فيها فلبئس مثوى المتكبرين وقيل للذين اتقوا ماذا أنزل ربكم قالوا خيرا للذين أحسنوا في هذه الدنيا حسنة ولدار الآخرة خير ولنعم دار المتقين.
Whom the angels cause to die while they are wronging themselves, then will they make full submission, saying, We used not to do any wrong, nay, surely Allah is knower of what ye used to do. So enter the gates of hell, to dwell therein forever. Woeful indeed will be the lodging of the arrogant. And it is said unto those who ward off evil, What hath your Lord revealed? They say, Good. For those who do good in this world there is a good reward, and the home of the hereafter will be better. Pleasant indeed will be the home of those who ward off evil.
جنات عدن يدخلونها تجري من تحتها الأنهار لهم فيها ما يشاءون كذلك يجزي الله المتقين الذين تتوفاهم الملائكة طيبين يقولون سلام عليكم ادخلوا الجنة بما كنتم تعملون هل ينظرون إلا أن تأتيهم الملائكة أو يأتي أمر ربك كذلك فعل الذين من قبلهم وما ظلمهم الله ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون فأصابهم سيئات ما عملوا وحاق بهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
Gardens of Eden, which they enter, underneath which rivers flow, wherein they had what they will. Thus Allah repaid those who ward off evil. Those whom the angels cause to die when they are good, they say, "Peace be unto you, enter the garden because of what ye used to do." Await they aught save that the angels should come unto them, or thy Lord's command should come to pass? Even so did those before them. Allah wronged them not, but they did wrong themselves, so that the evils of what they did smote them, and that which they used to mock surrounded them.
وقال الذين أشركوا لو شاء الله ما عبدنا من دونه من شيء نحن ولا آباؤنا ولا حرمنا من دونه من شيء كذلك فعل الذين من قبلهم فهل على الرسل إلا البلاغ المبين ولقد بعثنا في كل أمة رسولا أن اعبدوا الله واجتنبوا الطاغوت فمنهم من هدى الله ومنهم من حقت عليه الضلالة فسيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المكذبين.
And the idolaters say, had Allah willed, we had not worshipped aught beside Him, we and our fathers, nor had we forbidden aught without command from Him. Even so did those before them. Are the messengers charged with the aught save plain conveyance of the message? And verily, we have raised in every nation a messenger proclaiming, "Serve Allah and shun false gods." Then some of them there were whom Allah guided, and some of them there were upon whom error had just hold. Do but travel in the land and see the nature of the consequence for the deniers.
إن تحرص على هداهم فإن الله لا يهدي من يضل وما لهم من ناصرين. وأقسموا بالله جهد أيمانهم لا يبعث الله من يموت بلى وعدا عليه حقا ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون. ليبين لهم الذي يختلفون فيه وليعلم الذين كفروا أنهم كانوا كاذبين. إنما قولنا لشيء إذا أردناه أن نقول له كن فيكون.
Even if thou, O Muhammad, desirest their right guidance, still Allah assuredly will not guide him who misleadeth. Such have no helpers. And they swear by Allah their most binding oath that Allah will not raise up him who dieth. Nay, but it is a promise binding upon him in truth, but most of mankind know not. That he may explain unto them that wherein they differ, and that those who disbelieve may know that they were liars. And our word unto a thing, when we intend it, is only that we say unto it, Be, and it is.
والذين هاجروا في الله من بعد ما ظلموا لنبوئنهم في الدنيا حسنة ولأجر الآخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون. الذين صبروا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون. وما أرسلنا من قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون. بالبينات والزبر وأنزلنا إليك الذكر لتبين للناس ما نزل إليهم ولعلهم يتفكرون.
And those who became fugitives for the cause of Allah after they had been oppressed, we verily shall give them goodly lodging in the world, and surely the reward of the hereafter is greater if they but knew. Such as are steadfast and put their trust in Allah. And we sent not as our messengers before thee other than men whom we inspired. Ask the followers of the remembrance if ye know not. With clear proofs and writings, and we have revealed unto thee the remembrance, that thou mayst explain to mankind that which hath been revealed for them, and that haply they may reflect.
أفأمن الذين مكروا السيئات أن يخسف الله بهم الأرض أو يأتيهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون أو يأخذهم في تقلبهم فما هم بمعجزين أو يأخذهم على تخوف فإن ربكم لرؤوف رحيم.
Are they who plan ill deeds then secure that Allah will not cause the earth to swallow them, or that the doom will not come on them whence they know not, or that He will not seize them in their going to and fro, so that there be no escape for them, or that He will not seize them with a gradual wasting? Lo, thy Lord is indeed full of pity, merciful.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى مَا خَلَقَ اللَّهُ مِنْ شَيْءٍ يَتَفَيَّأُ ظِلَالُهُ عَنِ الْيَمِينِ وَالشَّمَائِلِ سُجَّدًا لِلَّهِ وَهُمْ دَاخِرُونَ. وَلِلَّهِ يَسْجُدُ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ مِنْ دَابَّةٍ وَالْمَلَائِكَةُ وَهُمْ لَا يَسْتَكْبِرُونَ يَخَافُونَ رَبَّهُم مِّن فَوْقِهِمْ وَيَفْعَلُونَ مَا يُؤْمَرُونَ.
Have they not observed all things that Allah hath created, how their shadows incline to the right and to the left, making prostration unto Allah, and they are lowly. And unto Allah maketh prostration whatsoever is in the heavens and whatsoever is in the earth of living creatures, and the angels also, and they are not proud. They fear their Lord above them and do what they are bidden.
وَقَالَ اللَّهُ لَا تَتَّخِذُوا إِلَٰهَيْنِ اثْنَيْنِ إِنَّمَا هُوَ إِلَٰهٌ وَاحِدٌ فَإِيَّايَ فَارْهَبُونِ. وَلَهُ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَلَهُ الدِّينُ وَاصِبًا أَفَغَيْرَ اللَّهِ تَتَّقُونَ. وَمَا بِكُم مِّن نِّعْمَةٍ فَمِنَ اللَّهِ ثُمَّ إِذَا مَسَّكُمُ الضُّرُّ فَإِلَيْهِ تَجْأَرُونَ. ثُمَّ إِذَا كَشَفَ الضُّرَّ عَنكُمْ إِذَا فَرِيقٌ مِّنكُم بِرَبِّهِمْ يُشْرِكُونَ لِيَكْفُرُوا بِمَا آتَيْنَاهُمْ فَتَمَتَّعُوا فَسَوْفَ تَعْلَمُونَ.
Allah hath said, choose not two gods, there is only one God, so of me only be in awe. Unto Him belongeth whatsoever is in the heavens and the earth, and religion is His forever. Will ye then fear any other than Allah? And whatever of comfort ye enjoy, it is from Allah. Then when misfortune reacheth you, unto Him ye cry for help. And afterward, when He hath rid you of the misfortune, behold, a set of you attribute partners to their Lord. so as to deny that which we have given them, then enjoy life while ye may, for ye will come to know.
وَيَجْعَلُونَ لِمَا لَا يَعْلَمُونَ نَصِيبًا مِّمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ تَاللَّهِ لَتُسْأَلُنَّ عَمَّا كُنتُمْ تَفْتَرُونَ وَيَجْعَلُونَ لِلَّهِ الْبَنَاتِ سُبْحَانَهُ وَلَهُم مَّا يَشْتَهُونَ وَإِذَا بُشِّرَ أَحَدُهُم بِالْأُنثَىٰ ظَلَّ وَجْهُهُ مُسْوَدًّا وَهُوَ كَظِيمٌ يَتَوَارَىٰ مِنَ الْقَوْمِ مِن سُوءِ مَا بُشِّرَ بِهِ أَيُمْسِكُهُ عَلَىٰ هُونٍ أَمْ يَدُسُّهُ فِي التُّرَابِ أَلَا سَاءَ مَا يَحْكُمُونَ لِلَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ مَثَلُ السَّوْءِ وَلِلَّهِ الْمَثَلُ الْأَعْلَى وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ.
And they assign a portion of that which we have given them unto what they know not, by Allah. But ye will indeed be asked concerning all that ye used to invent. And they assign unto Allah daughters, be He glorified, and unto themselves what they desire. When if one of them receiveth tidings of the birth of a female, his face remaineth darkened, and he is wroth inwardly. He hideth himself from the folk because of the evil of that whereof he had had tidings, asking himself, shall he keep it in contempt, or bury it beneath the dust? Verily, evil is their judgment. For those who believe not in the hereafter is an evil similitude, and Allah's is the sublime similitude. He is the mighty, the wise.
وَلَوْ يُؤَاخِذُ اللَّهُ النَّاسَ بِظُلْمِهِمْ مَا تَرَكَ عَلَيْهَا مِن دَابَّةٍ ولكن يؤخرهم إلى أجل مسمى فإذا جاء أجلهم لا يستأخرون ساعة ولا يستقدمون ويجعلون لله ما يكرهون وتصف ألسنتهم الكذب أن لهم الحسنى لا جرم أن لهم النار وأنهم مفرطون.
If Allah were to take mankind to task for their wrongdoing, He would not leave hereon a living creature, but He reprieveth them to an appointed term, and when their term cometh, they cannot put it off an hour, nor yet advance it. And they assign unto Allah that which they themselves dislike, and their tongues expound the lie that the better portion will be theirs. Assuredly, theirs will be the fire, and they will be abandoned.
تالله لقد أرسلنا إلى من قبلك فزين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم فهو وليهم اليوم ولهم عذاب أليم. وما أنزلنا عليك الكتاب إلا لتبين لهم الذي اختلفوا فيه وهدى ورحمة لقوم يؤمنون. والله أنزل من السماء ماء فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يسمعون.
By Allah, We verily sent messengers unto the nations before thee, but the devil made their deeds fair seeming unto them. So he is their patron this day, and theirs will be a painful doom. And we have revealed the scripture unto thee only that thou mayst explain unto them that wherein they differ, and as a guidance and a mercy for a people who believe. Allah sendeth down water from the sky, and therewith reviveth the earth after her death. Lo, herein is indeed a portent for a folk who hear.
وَإِنَّ لَكُمْ فِي الْأَنْعَامِ لَعِبْرَةً نُسْقِيكُم مِّمَّا فِي بُطُونِهِ مِن بَيْنِ فَرْثٍ وَدَمٍ لَبَنًا خَالِصًا سَائِغًا لِّلشَّارِبِينَ وَمِن ثَمَرَاتِ النَّخِيلِ وَالْأَعْنَابِ تَتَّخِذُونَ مِنْهُ سَكَرًا وَرِزْقًا حَسَنًا إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَةً لِقَوْمٍ يَعْقِلُونَ.
And lo, in the cattle there is a lesson for you. We give you to drink of that which is in their bellies, from betwixt the refuse and the blood, pure milk palatable to the drinkers. And of the fruits of the date palm and grapes, whence ye derive strong drink and also good nourishment. Lo, there is indeed a portent for people who have sense. Sense.